Today I'm going to be making ambrosia salad. So this is all of the stuff that you'll need. Really, you do this to taste, but generally speaking, you want to get a thing of Coolwhip. I'm going to do this whole thing, but you only need 1.5 cups. Sour cream, I'm going to do almost this whole thing. You need about 1 cup. Maraschino cherries, I mean, really, I would just cut them in half and dice them. You need a large thing of mandarin oranges, medium thing of crushed pineapple. You don't have to do the fruit cocktail, but I'm going to. Which is going to make up for having so much of this stuff. And then do the coconut to taste. I'm just going to probably put 2 handfuls in there. And a lot of people put toasted either pistachios or pecans or walnuts or something like that. I didn't want to do that because when I've had ambrosia in the past, I didn't really eat that. There's a lot of different ways you can make ambrosia, but this is how I'm making it. So first you want to fold the Coolwhip and the sour cream together. So I'm going to put it in the bowl, and then I'm going to show you me folding it. And I'm using a plastic container to put this in. Although if you're really concerned about plastics, especially having it in overnight, then you probably want to choose something different. I just don't have anything else that's this big and that, so this is all I have is a container this big. Unless I put it in like a pot or something. A little more. Okay. So now you're gonna fold it. So instead of like mixing it like this, you're basically gonna take it and do like this. So I'm gonna scrape the sides though. Okay, and now I'm going to open up my cans here. Now, one thing to keep in mind, with these cans, they're probably gonna have a lot of juice, so you do not want to use all of the juice. Way too much. This will look and probably taste really nasty. So, let me drain some of this first. I almost forgot. Little fun marshmallows. So I want to correct something. When I first bought these, I was gonna double this, but then I decided not to double it. So you only need half of this. So this is 29 ounces, well, a little more than half. So you need about 16 ounces. This you need a little less than this. You need about the same. And then you don't have to use this at all, but I'm going to. Okay, so now that we got that all cleared up, let's add some fruit. And I really don't like the taste of the juice for mandarin oranges. So I drained it. So, and I'm gonna do a little more. Okay, and then again, fold it. See how there's not really that much in here? Yeah, I'm probably gonna add the rest. So that would mean 29 ounces. And then of course you're gonna fold this in as well. And you just fold it in. Probably not the best folder, but I don't care, it's all right. We're going to take some crushed pineapple. Let's try that. And then fold that in. And like I said, I wanted to add some of this So I am. So I just added the whole thing. See it? Yeah, there you go. Alright, and fold that in there. And ideally you probably want to use canned fruit that, you know, doesn't have any artificial sweeteners in it, either you know, in water or in its natural juices. I mean, you can certainly use fresh as well. That's perfectly fine. All right, I think this is good and folded. Okay, and then we're gonna use some maraschino cherries. This is the only brand that they had. All right. So you want to rinse these real quick, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna grab a few and rinse them. So you're supposed to do about 3/4 cup of this, but I'm just gonna do it by what I feel, and then just cut these bad boys in half. Actually, these are most of these pretty soft, so they'll probably just fall apart. You don't have to cut them in half, but I like the look of them in half. Plus, you don't get like a full maraschino cherry. You know, like, whoa, that is definitely a maraschino cherry, you know? Just cut these up. Just use this Coolwhip container lid because it was right here. It was all cut up. Yep, all cut up. Alright, just put them in here. This one's not. Okay, here we go. That doesn't really seem like a lot to me. So, I'm just gonna get some more. I'm not gonna rinse these ones. Oh, they're cold. You may see, like, in the background, I got some different cups with colors. I'm also dyeing some eggs, so I can have them as deviled eggs. So, dyed deviled egg for my unicorn 30th birthday. Exciting. People are like, you're doing a unicorn birthday party for your 30th? I'm like, yeah, why not? I mean, that's the age I feel like most people think that you're like truly an adult, other than when you turn 18. So I mean, why not go back to a little bit of youth and splendor? Okay, so now we're just gonna fold these in. There's more junk in here. Now I gotta really work towards folding this. Maybe I'll do a little bit of just I don't know. All right, that's nice, good, and folded. Now let's get some marshmallows in here. And some coconut. Okay, so maybe I went a little overboard with marshmallows. Do the same thing, just fold it. And it's okay if the marshmallows end up melting a little bit, that's perfectly fine. I'm glad I had a big enough bowl. I My goodness, I just got this bowl for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Okay. I think I could probably put some more pineapple in here. Pineapple is very important to ambrosia. It really makes it taste super good. Now again, the coconut is to taste, but usually you see lots and lots of coconut in ambrosia salad. I'd say that's pretty good enough. Pretty good, right? Okay. Actually, I'm gonna add some more marshmallows too. This doesn't look colorful enough. Now, all of these like fun colored marshmallows, the whole bag is not like super, you know, clean and fresh looking. There's a lot of them that got stuck together, but again, I live in the South, so probably gonna happen. I mean, of course they are fresh. They're brand new. I just bought them. Still. Good enough. And refold. Okay, now for a taste test. All right, let's taste it. That's good. I almost wish I had more marshmallows though. That's the only thing. The day of, I might add some. It depends on what I have. I'll top it with some more coconut too.